Hi everyone. So I recently I was thinking I should improve my little bit habits, little bit these things so I can do better whatever I'm trying to do. So I just decided to read again Atomic Habits book. Actually, this book I have already completed when I was in my second year when I was in college. So, but that moment I was learning English. Even I don't know that much about English because yeah, that's why. So I'm again going to read this book with consciously and also let's suppose if the James Clear, he is the writer of that book or publisher, whatever you can say, he is everything. So let's suppose if he will give me some exercises of related what you should do, then I will first do that or get good at that habit. Then after that I will going to to read next chapter. So yeah, I'm in this video through these videos I'm going to tell every chapter which what I have learned, everything I will share in this video to myself, or if anyone going to watch this video, then he can also understand what I have learned from these chapters, these things. Yeah. Hi. So I'm gonna tell you about his introduction of his book. First of all, this is the his book Atomic Habits by James Clear. So I'm quickly gonna tell you what he talk about in his introduction. I just read. I'm going to read each chapter daily, and yeah. So he talked about his introduction, how when he was a kid, he got injured. After that he survived. Sorry, he when he get recovered from that, then he went his college and how he faced lots of challenges, and how he learned about habits. And he also told in his introduction how he got idea about habits, and whatever he was doing really tiny changes, he started to feel it's making lots of impact in his life. Then how he became a good person, and so well to using habits, how he improved his habits, how he found these things so useful things. And yeah, and he also told about in this book how he got famous by doing and telling everyone these experiments when he was get adult. Everything he has talked about. So yeah, I just learned. And also I actually he talked about Naval Ravikant. He was also entrepreneur and publisher, you can say. And he said about in his book, he said if you wanted to become a if you wanted to write a book, then you have to first become the book. So I really like that line actually, because yeah, if you, let's suppose you wanted to be write something about a book, then you have to experience those things. You have to become that book. Means you have to do those things, experiments in your real life, not just you just not written, you just paste and you just copy and then paste it on that book. It's not going to be that book, the great book. You can't write that perfect book. You have to first of all do those things in your life. It's really matter or not, it's really working or not, those things. So yeah, he just told us in his introduction, and he also told about everything, how he going to how you going to, what you going to learn about next chapters, cue craving reward, like these things he said in his introduction. And also he said about it's going to be help you in your lifetime, not for days, not for weeks, not for months. It's going to stick with you forever with your life. It will help you every time, wherever you go, wherever, whatever you wanted to do in your life, it will help you. Because his front page is, in his front page there was a thing he said, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. And and it's mean he didn't just say about how to make habits, and he also talk about how to break bad ones. Let's suppose I have a bad habit, then how I break that habits, and how I live that habits, like these things. So yeah, I'm really curious about to read his next chapter. So yeah, I'm ready for that. And yeah, I started this journey, so that's why I'm sharing to myself, so I can record it, because I love to do, because I'm not going to read again and again. That's why I'm sharing this, the process I'm following right now, so I can remember it a lot. Let's suppose I read, first of all I read his chapter, then I'm here to tell you or tell myself to those things what I have learned, you know. So yeah, that's how I will remember it for longer even. So you can also say I'm just revisioning through my videos, and that's it. So yeah, I just started and I will follow this. So bye. See you on another chapter.